Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Hexagon. Hexagon. Cross. Cross. Heart. Heart. Arrow. Arrow. Star. Star. Octagon. Octagon. Let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, orange color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, green color, hexagon, orange color, cross, red color, heart, pink color, star, blue color, arrow, black color, octagon, green color, hexagon, orange color, cross, red color, heart, pink color, star, blue color, arrow, black color, octagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.